Hello, this is Lorenzo from Event Espresso, and in this video, I'll show you how to customize the registration approved message template for virtual events. If you want to save time by including access to an online event in the registration confirmation email, then this video is for you. The easiest way to get to this screen that we're viewing right now is to go to Event Espresso, Messages, and then click on the Default Message Templates tab. And specifically, we are going to take a look at the Registration Approved Message Template. This is the one that is delivered after an attendee successfully registers. So if an event is free, they get this email immediately. If an event is paid, they get this email after they register and pay. So now we're going to click on this link here that says Edit Registrant. And this takes us to the Messages editor. So I'm going to scroll down and take a look at the event list area here. And we're going to make a few changes. So right now it's tailoring the venue details as if we were hosting a physical event. But for this example, we are shifting towards virtual events. So what we want to do is remove any information related to a physical event location and then drop in a shortcode for virtual URL, and that will grant access to the online event. So let's go ahead and do that. We can remove these details here. So I'll start by getting rid of that. Then I'll click on this link here, click on the pencil icon, and I'm going to change this from venue URL to virtual _URL. So the updated shortcode is virtual _URL. Then I'll click on apply. And then I want to make some changes right here in this section. So we'll highlight this and then tap delete on our keyboard. And now we're going to type in the shortcode that we want to use, which is virtual _URL. So this is the shortcode that you should add here, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to click on the link icon here and then paste that in, and then click on the button to apply. So the changes that we've made is we've swapped the link here in this section to virtual URL, and we've replaced the physical venue details here to virtual URL. Now we need to apply one more change so that these links load correctly. What I'm going to do is switch over to the text tab here. So click on it up here. And then we want to highlight this HTTP information at the beginning of that shortcode and just delete it. Then we'll do that one more time by scrolling down, looking for that HTTP information, and just delete it. Okay, so we can go ahead and switch back to the visual tab, and then I'll save changes up here. And now let me scroll back down and let me walk you through how this approach will work. So if you are transitioning to a virtual events and you've already set up a virtual venue and connected it to an event, what will happen is after an attendee registers, they'll get this email, and then they'll see the link to the online event in two places. First, they'll see it here, and then they'll see it in this section. And again, this saves you time because you can actually set this up ahead of time and have your team members have their own virtual venues. Then when an attendee registers, they'll get access to the online event ahead of time. That way you don't have to go in and manually send it to them. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for looking.